Hello guys, I'm back again. Now I switched this part of this setting inside the video, and now it's working fine, running fine. You see you can stop. You see the same model. This has been scratched a little body up here, eh? And now we can open the cassette lid. After I switch this motor, and now it's working fine. Down again and running back. So it was the motor was defect, the motor. So we play again. Working fine. And we go set the clock. Like this. Time is 32. Like this. And end. So it's the same model you see. Now we can stop. We can spool. Like this. And stop. And we can rewind. Was working fine. And play. You see now the model working very fine after I switch this motor. So this motor is gone. It's also, the model are from 1981, 2324. So this you have to switch. It's about 40 years old motor. So you have to exchange this model. Yeah. So now it's been switched, and now we see the model working fine. You can stop the cassette. You can eject the cassette. Yeah. Now you can take the cassette out. You can turn it otherwise the cassette. We can take it down like this. We can spool, and we can spool the tape back like this. So this motor you have to exchange because it's getting too old on the model. So this motor is going out from company Philips, so you have to find a scrap model or something. But see, all works fine. Stop. Like this. Play. Like this. Now it's running fine, you see. We can stop. Also, a switch off button working. See, after I exchange the motor, you can turn it back again. Playing. And now the model working fine and running fine. You see. So the electronic is very good on the model. It's only the switch of this motor. You have to switch exchange inside the video machine. So that was the problem of this. There's now 3 working machines in working order. Yeah. Just you have parts. If you have some scrap, you can fix your models. Good. So now we stop. And we say switch off. It's working fine. So that's what all about the Philips VR2324 and Philips VR3334. 2334. Sorry. Okay. See you guys.